Welcome, from the LENOVO Tab M10, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from the device to an SD card and vice versa. And to get started, let's open up the Files app, which will be in the Google folder. And from here, scroll down and you should see your storage devices. So there's the internal storage and the SD card. And I'm going to start with the internal storage. That's where most likely my files are, that I will use as an example. And for the people that might not know where to look for specific files, I'm going to briefly go over it. So the DCIM folder right over here will contain anything that I have captured with the camera. So that will be pictures, videos, they will all be located in here. Then we have the downloads folder, which will contain anything that I have downloaded on the device. That could be through a web browser or email, and it will all be saved here. And then below that we have pictures, which will contain screenshots, as you can see right here. And rest of the folders, there's also a screen recording folder, so obviously screen recorder will save into it, and rest of the folders will usually be empty. Now, as you can see, there's a bunch of like weird ones like TBS, Tencent, and stuff like that. Those are from games and different applications. By default, there is way less folders, and normally the ones that Android makes by default, things like the alarm, Android audio, movies, music, notifications, podcasts. Those folders are primarily empty, assuming you haven't downloaded an app that actually saves something into it. But once you find your files, which mine are right over here, you want to select your files. So you do it by simply holding a single one, and as you can see, it becomes checked right here, and then you can tap on additional ones to add them on if you want multiple. Now, if you want an entire folder full of photos, you don't have to select every item in the folder. You can simply go back and select the entire folder along with all of its content. So it's completely up to you how you go about it. I'm just gonna select like 5 of these. There we go. So once you have selected it, tap on the 3 dots, then you will have 2 options, either move or copy to. So select whichever one suits you. Copy will create a duplicate of the files that are selected and allow them to move them to a new location, while the original will stay where it is, while move will completely remove those files from where they are and move them to a new location. So like I said, select whichever one you want. I'm gonna go with move, and once you choose one of the options, you will see this pop up right here. So select where you want to move it, to internal storage or SD card. Now these photos are right now on the internal storage, and I could change just where they are located on their internal storage, or I can go with a completely different storage like SD card. And once you select it, it will open up the SD card and all of its content. And from here you can either drop it right here, go to the DCIM, maybe drop it here. It's completely up to you. But once you're in the folder that you want to move it to, tap on move here or copy here, allow. As you can see, there's the progress, and there we go, it moved a couple photos. And if I now go into the SD card, you can see these photos right over here. So the same process works for any kind of file. It's not only pictures and folders, it basically documents. Any kind of file has the same way of being moved. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.